Welcome to this attendance marking features tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to mark attendance in Clasero and communicate with parents and admins. At the top, you can sort the client list by choosing your preferred option. Mark the attendance by simply clicking. In the comments section, you can add notes that parents will see in the Clasero Parents Portal. Here you can add teacher-only notes. Just below, you can write reminders or other messages for parents. You can also write or even record a message to the admin. Once you press send, the admin will see your message directly on their dashboard. Under Edit Event, you can make changes to the schedule of this class, change the assigned teacher, and cancel class. Thank you for watching this attendance marking features tutorial.